Hello everyone, I'm Arunima from Knit and Otter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make front post double crochet stitches. So I have this little swatch here that I made with double crochet stitches. So if you see that all the double crochet stitches line up on top of the other, but there are these two stitches which are a little they stand out. They give a little bit of an embossed look. So these are front post stitches and all the other double crochet stitches are regular stitches. So I'm going to show you how to make these front post stitches. So I'm going to make a few regular double crochet stitches. So here is 1, 2, maybe 3. I'm going to make 3 of these, and then I'm going to make 1 front post stitch. So to make your front post stitch, you do the usual yarn over. Now instead of inserting your hook here where you would normally do, you'd insert it side to side like this. So insert it from your crocheting hand side to the other side and yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That completes your double crochet, and that is how you make your front post double crochet stitch. So I'm going to make another to show you again. So yarn over, and now instead of inserting the hook here in the next stitch where you normally make your double crochet, I'm going to insert my hook from side to side. Basically pick up the post stitch, the post of the double crochet stitch from the previous row, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 2 double crochet stitches, front post double crochet stitches. And if I continue making the rest of the row as normal double crochet, you can see the difference. So that's there are all of these stitches here are regular double crochet stitches, these and these, and these 2 right here are front post double crochet stitches. That's pretty much it that there is to this technique. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out to me, and I have a bunch of other tutorials on my channel, so you're welcome to check them out. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.